Hey, puppy. Hey, look, it's Fezzik the puppy. Oh, he's at Jenny's cell phone. Oh, look at him go. Look at him go. Oh, he's so cute. Hi, Fezzik. How are you today? I'm good, Ma. What the fuck's over here? Oh, it's a bong. Oh, look at that. That's a bong. Oh, the puppy bong. It's Fezzik. He's so cute. No, don't bite the camera. Oh, he got the lens all nasty. Oh, I gotta clean that. Hi. Clean that. There goes the better. That's a lot better. You're not supposed to give the camera kisses, Fezzik. Oh, look at him touch the blankie. No, that's Jenny's blankie. So she was a little baby. No, Fezzik. Oh, no, Fezzik. Oh, come here, Fezzik. Come here. Bitch. Bitch. Hey, bitch. Come here. Come here, bitch. I love you. Bitch, he loves you. Bitch, I love you. Stars above you. I don't know. What's that? No, stop biting it. Bad. Ow! Don't bite me. Douche. Douche. No. Bad. No. Bad. No. 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 Bad. No. Get away. Dun. Oh no, he's gonna get the camera. He can't. Oh, use the telephone again. Let's look at Jenny's shit. What's to talk about? Let's see.
Road tripping with my two favorite allies. Fully loaded, we got snacks and supplies.
It says, they tell you when I get there, I have got to leave. Just gotta get some of that DP. Hi, Fezzik. Brandon said he'll tell you when he gets there. And he needs to get some DP, whatever that means.
Dr. Pepper.
Oh no, I thought that was like code word for some drug. Hi, Fezzik. It's Jenny and Fezzik.
Gotta get.
Look at Jenny. Wait, he has a bunch of Dr. Pepper over here. Why does he need more?
No, he's about to down some, like, drink it.
Oh.
You can't have these!
Yeah, they'll kill you, and you'll die.
They won't kill him. You just can't have them! Sit down!
Sit, Fezzik.
Good boy!
Sit.
Stay.
Sit. Sit. Sit.